Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to prep your items for the consignment sale. I've got mine on a rack that I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond just to help me with the prepping of hanging items. First of all, let's look at the way that you face the hangers. Your hangers on your pants, shorts, shirts, they all need to be hung with the hanger going in the same direction. And to help you remember how that is, when you look at it, it should look like a question mark. So hang all items that way. And when you prepare your tags, you want to put the size up in the top right corner. You want a pretty good description. This is in case the tag gets separated from the item. We have some workers that are really good at matching them back up if we have a good description. Of course, you want your barcode label on there for scanning. Never ever tape over those because then they do not scan. Then it also helps in case something happens with the barcode label. We've had them ripped off before. If you still put your consignor number and the price in the bottom corners, then we can still sell the item by hand keying the tag. So it's important to always put those things on it. Now, to make sure that that tag stays secure, it's best if you take the pin through the tag 2 times. Not just once, twice will help that stay on there better. When you go to secure your pants and shorts to the hanger, so to keep them from falling down to the bottom and being in a big bunch, if you will take and wrap the fabric around the hanger and then put the pin through twice, that will keep those shorts on there without moving around very much. So do that on both sides, and then you still want to put that tag in the upper right area of the clothing. And there's a reason for that as well. So that once your items are hanging on the racks in the consignment sale, the shoppers can come and they'll be able to quickly see what the prices are, what the sizes are. Whereas if you put that tag in the wrong place, then they're looking for the tag and they get frustrated and they're not going to buy your items. So make sure and get those tags in the right place. So once you have them all on the hangers correctly, pants and shorts secured on those hangers, then it's time to put them by sizes. And then you want to put a rubber band around them. I usually do about 10 in a bundle. Put a rubber band around those before you bring them to the sale to keep the sizes together. You also want to separate out things like your school uniforms. You would separate those out and then do those by sizes as well, including costumes. Pull those out. If you have prom dresses, pull those out and do those separately. Don't leave them in the sizes. I will tell you that with school uniforms, the khaki shorts and khaki pants, things are not, that could be a uniform but could also be worn other places. Those actually sell better within the regular racks. But the things that are obvious uniform items, definitely pull those out so we can put them on the uniform racks for the parents looking for those. If you have any questions, email us at consignment@fbconcord.org.